Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Halabebe Official. Guys, thank you for the love and support. I really appreciate on that. And in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. And it's a happy moment here. And it's quite morning, guys. You can see everything have been chilling on its position. And today I want to make something which is very, very important here, guys. And I'm glad you enjoyed until the end. Like my videos, subscribe, and also comment all the way positive vibes. So today the work shall be going on cleaning here, and you can see some grasses here. So like this one here, you see I can uproot it, but at the same time I want to clean them here, over here. So as I wait into the jembes, so I want to make some cleanness over here. Oh, there is some birds here which are eating the fish. Look at these birds. Let me show you guys. You see that one there. Oh, Steve! 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 Where's Steve wako wapi? Suniekeni kofia kwa ona. Kwa hiyo unanipa nimeweka simu. Yes, guys, so I'm calling Steve to give me the jembe, guys, and at the same time there is work going on the rooftop. Where's Steve? Yes, guys, so I want to do something amazing here. Yes, you know, guys, I hold the jembe and I want to do some cleanness at the back there. Twende basi, usikie kitu. Huko. Nenda kwa gera huko.
Kwa gera?
Huko hivi.
Tuende tupande nini?
Nini?
Vitongozi kwa huko.
Kwa ni kadogo tu na gera.
Si nilikuwa tupande huko ndo utapiga content nzuri. So guys, actually let us change the plan of Hello Baby. We have some onions over there. So let me just sweep here when you finish. We go to do some planting of onions.
And today we have a lot of noise here. No problem.
Work is just ongoing over there.
Over
so,
Tarazo.
Yeah, over the Tarazo over there.
Yes.
So let me finish over this place so that you can go.
Uncle is laughing for me.
Because of your 10
Please. What making me to laugh?
Yeah.
You have your plan, then you reach a somewhere, you change. That's the
and you can change for me my plan. Why? Don't mind my hair.
What I'm laughing.
Yeah?
You have your good idea until you tell us you have your jembe here. Then 2 minutes you are changing your plan.
No, this is my jembe. No.
Change plan.
Basubu, you don't shake it off to guys. That's Mr. Gake, guys, over here. And you know what, Mr. Gake? The reason why I make the hairstyle is because me, man, I like my free lifestyle, you know? Ooh.
So let me just sweep over here because there's a banana over there.
You want to cook?
Yeah.
So we go there. Me, you know, I'm doing things hurry, and then we go to plant the onions.
Yeah. Let me finish. Let me finish this because actually the ladies over here they want to do that one. So I want to leave a clean environment.
So you pour water. So let me find the container. Let me keep it in my jembe, and then you pour in some water to prevent dust.
Okay.
Where is the container? Oh, yes, guys, so I'm going to look for the container down, and I'm going that way. So guys, oh, hey, it's a happy moment to be here, and I want to dance something amazing, guys. Oh, that is my hairstyle. This is my hairstyle, and it's original hairstyle, natural hair, guys. So I want to see the container over here. Over here, I think so. And then I'll fetch some water over here. I think this one is okay. Yeah. So I'm going to fetch water, and then the place where Mr. Gake were being swept, you must pour the water to prevent dust, guys. You know, like, oh. guys, dream come to reality, guys. And very soon, I think next week, I resume back to my construction, man. You know, and struggle of my life to change my mama's style, my mom lifestyle, man. So I'm heading this way, and I hold the 5 liters container. Yeah. That's I need. Wow. So I wanna fetch water here on the fish pond. So Chipua, other side. Whoa. Hey! Mbona? Uko juu? Wapi? Sikuna nichote kwa tanki huko. Okay. Alright guys. I had some instruction from Mr. Gake because inside here you have, oh, there's some fish, guys. Look. Wow. So I want to fetch water and then to cure where Mr. Gake were being swept because to prevent dust, and at the same time maybe let me find water here, just over here, just like crazy. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, this 5 liters. So let's go. And today's vlog are very special. You can see things like grass here. I'm going to move it and to make this place to be look very good. Wow. Woo. Right, left at the center. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think about today's videos? And very special. Mr. Gake, don't nishikie. Yeah, I'm calling Mr. Gake to hold for me a camera, guys. Mr. Gake, come this way.
Yeah, mama.
Mr. Gake, you hold for me, and then I show you when you sweep.
Yeah.
Yes, you do like this. You know, prevent the dust.
Guys, this is how Hello Baby are doing some magical over here.
Yes.
Hello Baby, be careful. You pour into the.
No, let's go inside here.
You pour inside the fire, guys.
No.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
when you do like this, you can't see the dust.
Okay. Pour there where you know you have just already sweep.
Yeah.
So pour here where I want to sweep.
No. You sweep and then you pour.
Okay.
Because you interfere with your brooms.
Okay,
I will come
guys.
this way.
So that's Hello Baby official, guys. Go check him if you haven't subscribed, and also guys subscribe to my channel at Gake01, guys.
You see. Or I bring one more.
You can just go and bring one more.
Okay.
Yeah, and guys, from the other side here we have some bananas, whereby guys want to do the peeling of the banana, so that because actually the work is just one going over there at the far end, guys. There's a work of terrazzo going on, and then guys at the fish pond, guys, the work is just going over there. And also for the staff, guys, who are just over here at Villanova Gym, we should just now we're just going to prepare the banana, guys, and then after there actually we shall just see how things are going to be. So if you're watching this for your first time, guys, and you haven't subscribed, kindly please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this amazing video. Your subscription, guys, is highly appreciated.
So guys, this is the final result over here, you can see, and we're clearing the dust. So so I'm going to take the djembe and then to work there at the back of the villa, so to remove some grass, guys. So stay tuned, guys. It's all morning over here. You had the cock like that. over here. So let's go. So at the back I hold the jembe. So this is the jembe, guys, and you had the cock, and this is the rabbit over here. And actually, so let's go. We are heading today. Oh, today we call Shamba Day, guys. Or what? Because we're going to plant some onions, and because in our village here, most of things are affordable, you know, like things like onions, tomatoes. You can plant kales or veggies because we have free land and which are very, very fertile. So let's go. Let's go. Woo. So we're going to the kitchen garden, guys, to plant some onions and our stuff. Boom. Take the views, guys. And this is the jembe that I hold here. Hey. And this must be somebody in the kuakav. Have panakauka. Yes, guys, I'm asking Mr. Gaki, this place have been looking like dry area, but recently time was as we have full of water. Hey, go. There's the river bank over there. Hey. Kanu mulipeleka wapi hii mani? Huku. Tunapanda vipi vitunguu sasa? Wapi? Kule mwisho. Wow. So here is to prevent soil erosion, guys. Look at, and maybe you can chill there and watching the views, watching the kitchen garden, the banana here. And this banana, when it's ripe, it tastes so sweet, guys. True story, I'm not lying. This banana that we see here, but in our village here we call sweets. Sweets. Yeah, we call sweets. So when it's ripe, man, it has a lot of sugar. A lot of sugar. A lot. So we're heading this way, and I will see where we can go to plant some onions with Mr. Gaki, guys. Like, oh, some birds. And you see we have a lot of kales here. And Mr. Gaki, si nilikwambia tungoe sukuma sasa, unaona imeanza kwa ngumu. Tupande ya visagi. Yes, we have two categories of the kales here, for the suckers and for the seeds. Like this one here, it's for seeds, and this is yams over here. Wow. Yeah.
Of the holes, guys. So you can just check, guys. So that's how they're doing. So after that, guys, we're just going to do the planting of these amazing stuff over here, guys. So these are just doing. Really fantastic, guys. You can just check, guys.
Today I'm trying to change the hairstyle. So every day have a new look.
A perfect look.
So with root you plant,
Yeah.
without you left outside.
Okay. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So for example, this, so I'm just going to remove, I'm just going to do some cutting. For example, that one has no roots, guys. These have. So, and also, guys, I'm just going to do some like this, so that it can just grow fresh. So this is actually how we're just doing this amazing activity. So for example, this which has big roots, I just reduce. So guys, keep watching the video. If you're first time watching this and you haven't subscribed, kindly please consider by subscribing to do the planting. So let us start putting, guys. Yeah, so let us start putting over there, so that we can just ensure that we've just done the planting, guys. Okay, so that's how it is. For example, which you see, guys, which I see is just small. I put 2, so that actually they can just be. You are setting. After this, I'm just going to set for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, here just progressing. So keep watching the video, and then after that, guys, everything, guys, are going to be super amazing.
So you can plant 2 in case. Yes, in case one is dry up,
another can just catch
it. Yes, one is dry up, another can be survive.
Yeah. Because we can't die 2 of them.
Wow, guys, so we just over here planting.
We're just planting, guys.
Look.
So we're just going to ensure that, guys, they have just grow good. So after that, guys, the planting complete. So first of all, guys, you take over this like this, and then you just put over here, guys, and then in the evening, guys, you just come back over here, so that I can just do the watering, guys.
No, this place is wet.
Yeah, it's wet, but you know, sometimes you need
or you go and find some 1 liter of bottle.
No, we have the water can.
Yes, even there's running water here, guys.
Yeah, only fetching from that side.
From here.
From here.
Imagine from here up to this angle, guys. So guys, from the garden, so we need to done the work which I have told you guys over here, and I feel like, ooh, I want to uprooting them like this. You see? Ooh. Let me try, guys. But I can remove with some hands. Some of them you can move it, and others, you know. Ooh. We are uprooting, guys, here. And then let me see Mr. Gake, guys. You know, I want him to hold for me a camera, guys. Gake! Dude! Yes, guys. So I want him to hold for me a camera. At least you see what I'm doing, guys. And then like this one here. Hey. So I'm trying to upload, guys, some grass here as I waiting Mr. Gake to hold for me a camera. You know, you see like this one here. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Oh, where's Mr. Gake, guys? Hey. Hey. Kadamra Sud. Guys, I'm calling Mr. Gake because he was busy at the same time. So at least, it's like an aeroplane, boom. So I want to here. So actually, I will done this place here, and then Mr. Gake, come hold it for me, and then to uproot this, and then we left them to dry.
Maybe you can just leave this.
Yes.
You can just leave this one. Yeah, these ones.
It's not a medicine.
It is.
Hakuna siri dawa ya nyama mras. Mimi ndo nalijua. No, we do like this.
So guys, you're just progressing, as you can just see, guys. After there, Hello Baby has decided that they're going to do these amazing stuff over here, as you can just see, guys. Actually, this is amazing progress from this amazing side, guys. So if you're watching this, kindly watch till the end, subscribe if you haven't, and drop your thoughts concerning this amazing video. You can just see, guys. Yeah, so that's how it's just been doing, guys.
And then tomorrow,
Yeah,
we left today dry. Tomorrow we collect them.
okay.
Kwa Kikuyu tunaita kogera.
Yeah. So that's still, guys. So maybe after here, guys, we should just be doing the feeding, guys, of the fish, and after there,
That machine is off.
no. I don't think if it's over, but we should just go and just check, guys. So this is how I just. This is how. Yeah.
Okay. You know, do like local.
Yeah. So keep watching the video, drop your thoughts, and your subscription, guys, to the channel is highly appreciated. And just check, guys.
Here.
No.
This is like.
Those are lemons.
Yes, this is lemon.
No, you just leave it. You know, you see, we just
No,
leave it.
I have some ones to see, and then you uproot and then we plant
See,
the other side.
the reason that they're just over there till now is that we don't want to be like we don't want to be over there, so that
Like,
it can just be
To have a shape of the.
not a shape. We want it to be
Okay.
like big, so that we can just uproot
No,
them.
when you have too much of rain.
Yeah.
And then you uproot it and then.
Yeah, the only thing which we should just not remove off from this side is this
Papaya.
purple over here, guys. This purple, guys, we should just not remove it from that place. Yeah. So guys, actually here, just keep progressing, keep watching the video. If you're first time watching this, kindly please consider by subscribing, liking, and sharing, guys.
Subscribe,
This
guys.
amazing video.
Yeah, the fish is here. Hey, it's many. So this is how we feed some fish. So the food particle goes down. I see some fish eating.
No, it's froth. Most of them they froth.
Yeah. Yes, I see some fish coming out. Ooh.
Yeah, so for there, we just finish over there, guys. So we're just going to the other side.
No, yes, balance at least to throw at the other side.
No, they will.
They will come.
Yeah,
When they had some.
not they will come. It will just be enough. So that's how they're doing this. So let me just throw to the other side.
Okay.
When the water
And the food for the fish, it smells good.
So actually, when we have lot of water, actually the fish migrate from this fish pond to the other one.
Okay.
When the water is just a little, they shift back. As always,
Just like migrate.
yeah.
Migration.
They always say that east west.
Home is the best.
When they go there, they come back.
Okay. So guys, I will just over here, and I think this is the reaching point. So I want to uproot this one here, so to finish the work for today.
Okay.
And man, at the same time,
Yeah.
I'm going to see brother to my dad.
Okay.
She was totally sick. She done an operation. So after this, I'm going to check him.
Okay.
And at least we go together.
Oh,
I think you have already finished this one.
Yeah.
So you hold for me. I finish.
So let me give
Okay, go. Oh, the mason have a shot.
a channel, yeah. So these
Eh.
are actually the
Hey, Steve, man. We use a magic. Fetch water. Hey, Steve. Look.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good.
Yes, me, I'm feel good.
Yeah,
Better?
fantastic.
Yes, because of God is continue to bless me.
Yeah.
Yes, it's another day that I'm back again.
Yeah.
And when you see for this side, there are someone. This
Yeah.
is my top animal.
Okay.
That is one of the top animal of me.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm here, guys, for continue for do the job that I am out of fish pond. Yeah, to
Right.
make sure this fish pond
Yeah.
is like other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm so grateful to hear.
Okay.
So guys, welcome to it is Gaki01
Yeah.
YouTube channel. Even that, welcome to
Hello
Hello Baby
Baby
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Go supporting everyone to load on the subscribe that is needed.
Yeah.
And one day to stay to the peak of the mountain
Okay.
and to still to drink the juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know anyone is like juice.
Yeah.
So anyone
Cold
is right.
juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, even me, guys, I have the YouTube channel. Go supported more Ibra Tyrese
Yeah.
to load on 2,000 subscribe, guys.
Okay, guys.
Yes, so I'm here.
Yeah.
So, hey, mra Steve, pole pole. Na unavuta hivyo. So guys, this is the work of today, and I at this point. You can see even my gem over here. I come from the long the way from other side, and I keep going. So my brother is helping me holding the camera, guys. And at the same time, man, I'm going to visit brother to my dad. He was done for the operation for the stomach, and he was sick for some few months, guys. Okay. Nimalize twende. Oh, guys. So let's finish here. We're calling the final result. These are flowers.
That's a far.
Yes, we leave
So maybe you can just do the uprooting of this.
uprooting here.
Yeah.
And you know these trees found in the coastal beaches.
Yeah, this palm.
Palm. We call palm.
Yeah, palm tree.
You know, even the fingers.
You know,
it's a palm.
this.
It has 5 fingers. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. Crazy.
No, these are just similar to coconut tree.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Somebody can sell for you
I
claiming
know.
to be
Yes,
a coconut.
This is a mrenda, bro.
These are-
Slippery. Don't uproot it.
No, we are not going to uproot it. So these are just doing. So keep watching the video.
So here,
Yeah.
there we go tomorrow's work. We left there.
Okay.
So we reach at this part here. Yes. No problem.
Yeah. So that's how it is, guys. So guys, watch this video till the end. Subscribe if you haven't, and also drop your amazing comment at the comment section. And guys, you just keep progressing.
Guys, how did you prefer the work for today? And then left for some few like one day today to be dried, and then tomorrow morning I'll come to collect. Hey, some birds, man. Woo! So let me take even here. Masubo here I forget.
You can just remove this one.
Yes. Hold for me.
That move with a gem, it has some tones.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
So tomorrow
Yeah.
we come.
Okay.
And then even here, we done slowly. So I'll take the djembe to the store. Woo. Even give the dove some food. So we try to keep some jembe here. There's the dove. So guys, stay tuned as I'm going to check to visit for one of my brother to my uncle. So guys, I wanna say stay tuned. The story is coming. Well guys, and then I came later. So I'm going to check brother to my dad because he was done for the operation, man. So Mr. Gag is coming from other side and I'm heading this way like, ooh, man, road to success. We outside and this is how our village looks like. And I'm waiting Mr. Gag to be came. So to pay visitors to my to brother to my dad. So it's so sorry and it's so painful, but when one is done for operation, when it's alive, we thank God for everything, you know, rather than when people lose some life or dead. So actually right now, brother to my dad, he's still alive because previous day he went for the operation. Actually guys, for the stomach here, I mean, let me show my stomach guys. Here he done operation here. So because nowadays to do things like operation, it's common, but most of them loss of life, death, and all stuff. So I open Mr. Gaki gate. Yes. Oh. Hey. Like that. So I drive you, you drive me.
Outer road. Sumeta sweat.
Si hata simu yangu tena ni sijui charger.
Charger saa hii nikirudi nitakuwekea before nipandishe. Jogi kiwa anachukua gogo.
Wapi?
Ama sio type C.
Si type C. Wow guys, so we left the villa right now. Mr. Gaki, be careful here. Oh my God, Mr. Gaki, slowly. Let me hold you with my hands. Because I'm coming back.
You're going back.
I'm going back. Yes, guys. Hey. You look at the tones, guys. You see people. Yes. I'm telling Mr. Gaki to look some tones like this tone right here. And nowadays you become a professional driver. Guys, this is Uncle Mo. Go and check him, subscribe. Woo. Corner shop. Yes, it's a corner shop. You think I'm lying? It's a corner shop. Wow. Let's move. Oh, congrats, moms. Home, guys. Woo. Look forward. Why do you look side? Look forward. Hey guys, we're going to Nyabo Hans, and Mr. Gaki is driving like crazy. Hey. Pole. Utagirango alipigwa tena breki. Yes, guys, I'm telling Mr. Gaki to go slow because I don't trust the motorbike. Big horn in the corner, yes. We have a sharp corner here, guys.
Kwa gari ya nasi kwa chup.
Yeah. Hawana kutana Mayura anakuja tu.
Hakuna
You see guys, crazy. The car is let's go. So guys, I want to done some small shopping because I'm going to take brother to my dad in the hospital. Oh, the auntie. Shika hivi. Nipe soda kubwa. Coke.
Uko na kubwa Coke? Kuna Fanta.
Ni Coke hiyo ndio.
Acha nikulete kwa duka.
Ile 1 point.
Gani?
Ama
Ile. Haya tupatie ile basi. Na mkate auntie. Ya? Karembe bana. Tera mangana kwanza. Kuna mkate. Tupe mkate Super of ama United. United Teme niko mahambere hari.
demo kiweno kwa mwini.
Simtata mchukua hii.
No, kuraji wanakula Super of. Oi? Nasema itinipe mkate. Ni renga. Sina hera masuba kana. Isikie hivi. Yeah, and I need to pack them inside here. It's crazy. Pack here. Pack everything inside here. And I'm going to check my arm. So guys, I want to look for my uncle here. We call him. Let's see. That's this side. Ooh. Okay. Let me go on the top. There's wood for the ladies. Just like this is a hospital, man. So this is second floor. Okay. Over here. Yes guys, this is a hospital over here. And that's the Nyabohansa's views, guys. Over there. Look at the side. Look at the side. Guys, so I'm just over here to see brother to my dad, just over here sleeping. And he was done the operation yesterday, so he came here for the checkup. So guys, I want to see, to show you everything. Yes guys, just over here. So let me zoom for you. So just over here, this one after done operation, and then let me see for another one. And then look guys, this is the stuff which I've already removed from the body, actually from the male public area, guys. This one here. Whew. Look guys, this is a doctor actually. Let me show you here. This is a doctor and mama, eh? Yes guys, so for the theater, this one here. Look guys. Hey, God is good. Let me scroll and then you see. This after we done our process for operation and then to healing some pain, guys. So he was the one who lie here, guys. This one here, my brother to my dad, guys. So I wanna say sorry, guys. So I need your prayer, and if you want to do something, guys, for him, just to do. Okay. Guys, the second floor, and it's my time to leave here. So guys, I want to say sorry to my brother of my dad, and actually it's so painful to done operation, man, for the public area. When I'm saying public area, you know, in terms of human reproductive system for the male one. So just like a painful, but I thank God he's still alive, and we done all stuff, all process, guys. So here this way. Whew. Man. Whew. So I get this message yesterday night, and when I went to my uncle's villa there, so I said, I must visit to my family members, so brother to my dad, and I mean it's blood to blood, brother to my dad, guys. So I just came here, and at least I brought her some soda and bread. So actually, when you done operation, you can't take too much of food. It's like one slice of bread, and then a small amount of soda, and then you drink. So but when I get some money, I came to visit her maybe tomorrow or next day, man. So when he's alive and receiving some pain, just say thank you so much, guys. Wow, look at that side. So I'm on the rooftop, guys, here. So, and actually it's a hospital even down here. Look the area. So here is the other side. So guys, so keep it locked. More amazing videos coming from here. Watch until the end, and man, I need your prayer. Just pray for my family, guys. And everything shall be happen. It's happened. So maybe nowadays in terms of operation, it's common, but you risk your life, So when you done all process, and then you'll be alive. So we still healing your pain, guys. So stay tuned. We just over here at the nice hotel here, Mama Abdi Hotel, and
this
I found
is one of the famous hotel here in Nyabohanse. So here is where you'll find affordable food, and you can never get hungry here.
Yes.
Right now it's around around 1 p.m. So but then I'm drinking tea. Yeah, this is my favorite.
Okay.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing good, and guys, because of the copyright music there, so it just be louder. So introduce yourself.
So guys, I go by the name On a Good Vibe, ONA, and then space, and then Good Vibe as one word.
Okay.
Kindly go check me out. I'm also a content creator. I do amazing video. Kindly go check me out, and like, comment, and share. And for my subscriber, kindly go check my brother here. And I like your hairstyle, man. Nice, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, stay tuned. Oh, so guys, it's all morning over here, and we try to see what is going on here, guys. And it's a fine morning. Look at this, the fish pond here, and we have another one over here. Hey. Fresh. You see, guys, there's some construction of the borehole, putting of tiles for the recon fish pond. And just over here, there's some we calling the other side there. There's some work going on, guys. Woo! Look at that, guys. Hey, over here. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So guys, we back again, and I'm from my uncle, and actually I wanna say brother to my dad. So I was passing there and saying sorry for that. So we just over here, and I want to check the work for today. And actually, as I told you, I left this part where I was digging to be dried like crazy, man. You see, so like this one, I'm supposed to remove it by hand. You know, like jembes, it can't finish up, but it's okay. So when I come tomorrow morning, I shall collect it, all of them. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you guys. I wanna say bye bye.